All right, guys, I've got an 82% win rate trading strategy, and yes, I'm driving. Should I be live while I'm driving? Probably not, but that's okay. Now, just so you know, because it's mad sunny, I can't see the screen. So if you write something, I'm not going to see it, at least not right now. But anyways, 82% win rate trading strategy, is that a lie? Absolutely not. You can go to my videos, and I've got two that I did yesterday, one that's pinned that shows you my results. Now, have I always been profitable? Hell fucking no. No. I've been trading for 5 years, and in 5 years, I can't even tell you how much money I lost. Well, actually, I can, because Pocket Option tells me it's over $88,000. Okay, like, don't tell my husband. Okay, so why was I unprofitable? Well, that's because I was trying to trade everybody else's strategies, instead of learning how to trade. So from 2021 to 2023, I just lost money. There'd be days when I'd win, there'd be days when I'd lose. I thought that, hey, I'm gonna pay my back taxes with this shit. It's overnight, whatever. And obviously trading doesn't work like that. And if this is showing up on your page, then you already know, because you are into trading probably, right? Or you probably have some interest in trading. And I trade binary options, 1 minute classic candles, 1 minute expiration, all right? So here's the thing. In 2023, I got a mentor, paid my last $800 and some odd dollars, $875, I think. Just so happened that my clients paid me like $1,000. And so I bought groceries, paid my little $875. My husband didn't know about it, and boom, it changed everything for me. Not overnight, 60 days later. So, in trading time, that's really not all that bad. 60 days later, I had a foundation. It was the one thing that I was missing from everything, was a freaking foundation. All right. So, after that, I started creating my own strategies and blah, blah, blah. So here we are 3 years later, and, I got a Discord group. I have Telegram, Discord, all that. I teach on WAP. I give out signals, all that kind of stuff. But it wasn't until recently that everything clicked for me. And it happened because I created something called the money line strategy. Super simple. When price hits the line, we make money, because we're going to reject for just 1 minute. And where's this line, you ask? Well, it's super simple, okay? If you don't really understand trading, this might be all mumbo jumbo to you, but I'm going to make it as simple as possible. When we have a break of structure, so let's just say that we are in an uptrend and we are above our moving average and above our support. All right, we're in an uptrend. We have a fair value gap, and it breaks our structure. All right. Now we're going to wait for price to go down and then come back up, and it is going to reject off of what used to be the support. Now it is the resistance. Once it does that retest, it goes and it tests that same area. We're going to sell for 1 minute. So that was already working. I called that the leave your 9 to 5 strategy. Could not be any simpler, could not be any easier. All you do is teach someone about support and resistance and fair value gaps and retests. And boom, you got a strategy. You got your students making money just like you. But I ran across someone right here on TikTok. His name is Trade Like Dre, D-R-E, Trade Like Dre. Go check him out. I tagged him in a couple videos ago. He's got very, very simple concept videos, and he does one concept basically per video. So a lot of his recent ones, or at least the ones that are showing up on my For You page, have been about volume, which I didn't even know was on Pocket Option. So because I had bought into, I can't even remember who owns it, but the volume profile, I don't even remember how much I paid for it, but it was a couple $100. I paid for this dude's course about the volume profile. It didn't make any sense to me. Plus I trade OTC on Pocket Option, not the real market, so it didn't really do me all that good. So I didn't really know anything about volume. Like one time I added it on there and I was like, wow, more bars. Great. I'll just use the MACD instead because I understand the MACD. Didn't know shit about volume. Then I land on Trade Like Dre's page, or not page, but videos, and he's teaching about volume. And he showed me that, not me, but his video, the easiest concept that changed everything for me. And this was like a week ago. Okay? So I am already profitable. All right. I already have a 70% win rate. All right. So, obviously I gained about 12% by adding this one thing in. So, basically, I gotta make a turn. So give me 1 second. Basically, what he was explaining is you go to the daily chart, which I do not do, but you go to the daily chart and you look at the volume indicator. When you have the volume indicator up, you're going to see that some of the bars are higher than the others. You can see which candle those higher bars correlate to, and you map the support and the resistance of those specific candles, the body and the wick. So we have different horizontal lines per each of them, okay? So then you go down to whatever time frame you're trading on, and you're going to use those in your trading strategy. All right, so I took that concept and I added it into my money line strategy. So here's what it looks like. When price retests that one line, I use this in two different ways. When price comes up and retests that resistance, or it comes down and retests that support, we're not going to take that trade unless we can confirm that there is a correlating higher bar that we already have mapped out that supports that support, or that supports that resistance, meaning that we already mapped out a candlestick that, or more, one or two, that confirm that that is where we can take a trade. Okay. And sometimes it lines up with your fair value gap. Sometimes it has nothing to do with that, and it's just a place where you're going to trade. So that made my win rate go from 70 something to 80 something, about 82%. And I share these stats in my other videos. Go look at my pinned video that I posted yesterday, where I was basically sharing, my screenshots like this, because I went live yesterday, which is a ton of freaking pressure, but well worth it. So that is my current strategy. Now, the other way that I use the support and resistance of a mapped out volume candle is without using my money line strategy. And I just call this the money line volume strategy. But either way, if we are, let's say that we're in a downtrend, we're way below where, the normal middle is, right? Your normal support or resistance. So if we're in a downtrend, we're talking about the resistance. I'm mapping it all the way down, and I'm looking at where price is coming back up, and we have mapped out one or two candlesticks. But like, if you were looking at the RSI would be way down, by whatever that bottom line is. If you're looking at the Williams, it's going to be way down on the, the negative 20? Just so you know, I use three indicators. Yes, I'm jumping all over the place. I use 55 SMA, the Williams indicator, and volume. Volume is at 10, which is default. And the Williams, I only use one line, negative 50 and negative 50. Why am I using one line? Because it's going to tell me if I'm buying or if I'm selling. So I got one for trend, right? The 55 SMA. Like I said, if you post anything, I can't see it because I can't really see my screen because of the sun. So I got one for trend, another one technically for trend that'll confirm if I am at the 50% line, which I also learned from trade like Dre. Okay, so go check him out. I'm telling you, if you need some basic concepts, some, just a little bit of a oomph for your strategies or whatever, he's the one. He's the one. All right. He does whiteboard, and he makes things so simple to learn. I'm telling you. And it's Trade Like Dre, DRE, Delta Romeo Echo. Okay. Anyway, so we have the three indicators, and when we are below that 55 SMA, when we are below the middle line that separates the uptrend from the downtrend, and I'm talking about the actual candles, And when we are below the negative 50 line on the Williams, and when we have mapped out our candles that belong to those higher volume bars, we're going to sell because price is coming back up. So when price is coming back up and it hits where we've mapped out our candles that belong to those higher volume bars, we're going to sell for 1 minute. Sometimes I do it for 3 seconds. Sometimes I do it for a 1 minute flag. How do I choose which one's which? It's actually really simple. I will do it for 1 minute. And if for some reason it goes above where I took my trade, I'm going to change it to 3 seconds in the event that I need to basically hedge my trade because I'm going to lose. But you will see that price will go beyond your trading, entry, and it'll come back down or go back up and you'll still win. And sometimes it's like super, super extreme and it surprises me every single time. But that's when I use a 3 second trade versus a 1 minute trade. I teach this entire thing inside my VIP, which you can access. You can access my VIP to sign up on my Linktree. Just go to my bio. The link is right there. It's Linktree, linktr.ee/trade with Kristen. But anyways, yeah, it's right on my bio. You can get to my Discord, which is public. So the invite link is right there. You can get to my VIP where I exclusively teach this there, okay, in my VIP. If you buy it online on WAP, which is where I have my trading groups, it is $2.99. You get it through me and it is $99. What else was I going to say? So that is literally my entire strategy. It is literally the easiest way to make money. Everybody is complicating things. I've complicated things, okay? You have to retrain your brain to learn. I watched this video on YouTube about learning the right way. You got to think about your brain with trading as if it were a bowl. The more you put in, the fuller it's going to get, and it's just going to overflow. You have to wait until you do like one concept at a time, and then once you get used to that one concept, it'll get smaller and you can put more stuff in that bowl. Okay, so with trading specifically, it is very difficult, and yes, you need to learn all the concepts so that you can be smart enough during a winning or losing trade, or when you're looking at a chart, to take proper trades. Okay, that is the mistake that I made. That's why I lost $88,000 between 2021 and 2023 before I got a mentor and learned how to trade, the foundation and all that kind of stuff. So you need to take that time and invest into learning how to do this correctly. And I promise you, I assure you, all it takes is finding one person, one course, one strategy, whatever, to change everything for you, just like it did for me. All right. I didn't learn my strategy from anyone else. I created it myself, but I did it by taking these basic concepts and, I don't want to say mastering them, but really understanding how they work to be able to do it. So I don't know. I think that's it for right now. I can't even see my screen to end this, so I'm going to have to take you with me over this way so that I can end this, because it is mad sunny and we got to go into the store. So anyways, if you want to join the VIP, like I said, it's $2.99 online. The link is in my bio. It's my Linktree link. Otherwise, you can get it $99 through me, or you can just join my Discord for free. But yeah, guys, I guess that's it, and I'm going to figure out how to get off this shit because I can't see my screen. All right, so all right, ta-ta for now, motherfuckers.